Puppuccino, don't you know that I love a puppuccino? Especially 'cause it's cream, but there's no meat though. Makes me wanna wag my tail, be good though. Puppuccino. Take me for a walk, I'd like to go someday. Take me to the park, I want to see my mates. I really want to come sniff round you. You'll be my Dachshund boy. When there's food in your bowl, but your owner has pie, hungry doggy. Zoomies, but that's how they roll. Millions of dogs without loving homes. Maybe it's not too late. So go and adopt one and do it today. I walked 16 miles, and what did I get? My feet are tired and my belly's wet. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I'm gonna go and eat some chicken from the bowl. Da, 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 da. Woof, we're halfway there. Woof, climbing up the stairs. My little legs will make it, I swear. Woof, climbing up the stairs. I got this pup on Monday. I took him for a walk on Tuesday. He had the zoomies on Wednesday. And on Thursday and Friday and Saturday. Got treats on Sunday. Got this pup on Monday. They can be brown, they can be tan, they can be black and apple. They can be greedy, they can be needy, they can be any mood they like. Some of them cream, gotta be lean. All I love in them more. Why don't you take 'em, why don't you take 'em out for a walk? Buddy, 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 always cuddly in this Dachshund's world. Buddy, 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 always hungry in this Dachshund's world. Woof, all the things he could do if you had a little buddy. Why don't you get one too? Boy, in a doggy's world, cheese and zoomies, it's fantastic. You can't brush my fur or dress me anyway, 'cause I'll bite you, but I didn't mean to. Come on, buddy, let's go walkies. Yeah. Back, eat poopies. So let's go for walkies. I'm gonna take you back to the parkies. Way down inside, his tummy's rumbling wild. I'm gonna give you my dog. I'm gonna give you my dog. Wow, he's a whole lot of dog poo.